Oh my goodness, 100K per Bitcoin. We're finally here. Congratulations to those of you who've been with Mango throughout the journey. If you have, we legit caught Bitcoin all the way down at $17,000. If you caught this tweet that Sean posted, I mean, you're set. If you're not following Sean on Twitter, what the hell are you doing? I'll be linking his handle in the description below. Now, we are here to talk about Dogecoin. Now, if you are someone wondering, hey, should I be selling my Dogecoin to get into Bitcoin or any other coin because Dogecoin hasn't been moving for the past 23 days? I am so tired of waiting. I can't wait any longer. I'm seeing all my friends make all of this money. Well, let me tell you something. If you keep flip-flopping from one position to another, that is the fastest way to the poorhouse. Take it from someone who's been in this market since 2016. Sean actually broke down the entire mindset that people go through when they're in positions like this. If you have been following the Dogecoin story with us, then you caught Dogecoin right here, which means that you are currently still up a good 300% on that trade. You should not be complaining. However, let's just say you didn't catch that trade. Look at this chart. Just look at this chart. This is not the kind of chart that you want to have paper hands on right now. This is a bullish beauty. Take note. Now, in the last video, I gave you guys a crazy hack on Dogecoin's chart that's not only going to help you ride the trend, but it's also going to help you capture the best bids on the chart. Let's quickly rewind. About it. So as far as the pullback is concerned, this is going to be your bid zone, and this is primarily hinged off of the Mango dynamic indicator. I want you guys to notice that ever since Dogecoin's trend started right here, dynamic turned green, we had a positive slope on it, and so far every single visit of dynamic support, every time prices came down there to tap that region, the buyers stepped in and picked prices up. I'm looking at the current bid zone as the retest of the breakout of that pattern, as well as down to dynamic support at 38 cents. I'm gonna zone mine out. As far as your invalidation is concerned, keep it simple, stupid. What is the one signature that we're seeing on the chart? Price relative to the 12-hour dynamic. As soon as we start breaking dynamic support right here, invalidated on the trade. All right, let's pause, fast forward to today. Now you can see that price is pretty much consolidated in this range, but I wanna see where has price consolidated relative to our key dynamic support on the 12-hour time frame. Now, before I reveal the system, for those of you who are new to the Mango Seed program, there are mastermind calls. These are live calls that happens every week. All right, there's a lot of alpha being dropped there. We called a Bitcoin move before it happened. The system was revealed in the mastermind call. We called the altcoin cycle. The system too was revealed in the mastermind call. There is a lot of alpha in there. Now, the next call happens this weekend, so be there. If you're new to the seed program and you don't already have access to the chat, just either reach out to me or Sean and we will set you guys up with access. And for those of you looking to join the Mango Seed program, you'll find a link to it in the description below, themangoway.com/seed. Now let's boil down to that 12-hour time frame and switch on the dynamic indicator. And there we have it, guys. Look at how price has reacted off of 12-hour dynamic support. Every time you find a system where price trends really, really well on that system, it's going to be very easy for you to manage trades off of that. Now, that system can be hinged on an indicator like the dynamic as well. So you can see how we got picked up right here. The next test was right here. We got picked up right here. The next test was right here. Once again, hugging that dynamic support. We got picked up right here. This is looking bloody bullish right now. And not just that, we're seeing a series of higher lows on the entire range. Price is still hugging the 12-hour dynamic support. You are not invalidated on the trade just yet. For those of you who want that very tiny sliver of a range on dynamic support, take note of it. It comes in from around 41 cents. But not just that, I want you guys to look at the equilibrium tracker right here. The equilibrium tracker, guys, it is in a zone of bullish compression. Every time I see it go into a zone of bullish compression, price is so close to the dynamic support, I'm looking for that next expansion move. In which direction? Well, we're currently putting in a bull flag on the chart, series of higher lows. Price is still holding the 12-hour dynamic. The odds of an expansion move are to the upside. And another bullish tilt on Dogecoin, get into the Mango dashboard, app.mangoresearch.co. In the last video, Dogecoin actually topped this list in terms of trading volume. Dogecoin right now is on rank 4. Okay, the trend is currently long, but check this out for volatility profile as well as flags. I mean, the setup couldn't be more bullish. Get into the drop down right here, longs across the board. The 4-hour trend flipped bullish 4 hours ago, volatility super duper healthy. It's compressed. Before, remember, volatility was hovering at these red numbers telling you that, hey, now's the time that the bulls might be getting exhausted. And they were exhausted. We saw 20 days of consolidation. So right now, volatility is compressed to these very healthy numbers. When volatility compresses this much, that's when we can actually look for the next impulsive move. All right, as far as which direction, once again, fall back onto the trend. What trend? What is the trend telling us? Are the bulls in control or are the bears in control? Well, the bulls are still in control, so this is another bullish tilt for Dogecoin. Also, before I pan out on the premium video section, Sean actually uploaded a brand new video on Dogecoin, essentially showing you how you can scale into position on Dogecoin. All right, so that's a really educational video. If you have access to the premium dashboard, make sure to catch that video because you can then look at that concept and then apply it onto other trades as well. Now, one more bullish tilt on Doge can be found on the macro timeframes. Get into the monthly time frame, go ahead and plot out a horizontal on those previous candle closes right here from the bull market of 2021. All right, if you plot that horizontal out, you'll find that it comes in at around 34 cents. Where exactly did the month of November close relative to 34 cents? Guys, this is a proper official breakout for freaking Dogecoin right here on candle closes. This is insane. This has never happened before. And recall that we're also looking at the massive cup and handle, the measured move to which we have not met just yet. If we take the measured move and plot it on the break of the pattern, where is this going to take Doge up to? It's going to take us all the way up to $1.01. From where price is at currently to $1.01, that's still going to be a good 123% to the upside. Can prices go even further? I mean, it's a bull market, right? This is just the first target to the upside. If prices do start breaking $1, then yes, we are looking for higher targets on Dogecoin's chart. Now is not the time to be getting impatient on your positions that have consolidated in a bullish range, putting in a bull flag. Paper hands in this juncture will be punished. All right, take note of that. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.